What's up guys, it's your boy Poppy G Funk, and today I'm going to show you guys the best color for the new Samsung Galaxy Buds Live. So if you guys are ready, let's get this going. Alright, so we do have every single color for the brand new Samsung Galaxy Buds Live. So today I'm going to tell you guys which one I think you guys should buy. So no further ado, let's get this going. So the first color is this bronze color for the Samsung Galaxy Buds Live. So as you can see, we do have this nice matte finish. In the middle, it does say Samsung Sound by AKG, of course. So the whole charging case is in this nice bronze matte finish, which looks really nice. So as soon as you open, of course, you are greeted with the earbuds themselves, and let me just tell you guys, they actually look really nice. So the earbuds themselves do look kind of weird, like I said it in my unboxing video. So if you guys haven't seen those, make sure to do so. They kind of look like jelly beans in a way, like Mexican beans, but this color looks really nice. It's definitely gonna stand out. It's definitely gonna look good. So this is the bronze color for the brand new Samsung Galaxy Buds Live. And one thing that I noticed about this earbuds is not the earbuds, the charging case, is that this charging case does have a matte finish, but if we look at the black edition, black color, it actually has this glossy finish. So the only matte finish is the bronze color. So if you guys want to get the bronze color, that's the only edition that comes with a matte finish charging case. Now the next color is this black color. So like I said, we do have this nice glossy finish all around the charging case, and inside, of course, we do have your earbuds. Now this color to me doesn't really look black at all. Kind of looks like a gunmetal finish, like a gunmetal gray finish. They do look good though, don't get me wrong, they do look good, but they do not look black at all. But once I take them out, oh my god, this color looks really nice. So as you can see here, we do have the jelly beans, and wow, that color really pops out a lot. And the last color is this white finish. So like I said, the black edition, also this white edition, does have a glossy charging case. So as soon as you open this, of course, you do have your white Samsung Galaxy Buds Live. Let me just tell you guys, they look amazing. Look at that color, that glossy finish on this white Galaxy Buds Live. They look incredible. So I'm definitely a big fan of this white color. So let me actually take them out so you guys can see them better. Oh my god, they just look beautiful in the hands, and as soon as you put them on, they're gonna look even better. So these are the Samsung Galaxy Buds Live in a color white. Of course, the inside, we got this like grayish, I guess, with this white finish. Super nice. So I came to the conclusion that the best color is, of course, the white finish. It just looks beautiful. Look at that glossy finish. Oh my god. So this is my #1 choice for the Samsung Galaxy Buds Live. Now my second choice is, of course, this bronze, and the last color is, of course, this gunmetal grayish, which is black, which to me doesn't look black at all. But there you go. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this quick video on my favorite color for the brand new Samsung Galaxy Buds Live. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel to see more videos coming soon on this channel, and let me know in the comment section down below which color is your favorite color. Is it the white, the bronze, or the black? And I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.